Here it is, Adalimumab, a biologic medication widely used for autoimmune conditions like ulcerative colitis, Crohn's disease, rheumatoid arthritis, and more. Each box contains two pre-filled injection pens, designed for single use only. Once used, they cannot be reused, so proper disposal is necessary. This medication is typically self-administered once every 2 weeks, as prescribed by a doctor. Now, let's take a closer look at the injection pen. This sleek, pre-filled auto-injector makes the process easy and precise. The dosage is already set, and the needle remains hidden inside, ensuring a safe and hassle-free experience. The window on the pen helps monitor the injection progress, and the safety cap protects the needle until use. Before injecting, proper hygiene is crucial. I'm using the provided alcohol wipe or tincture pad to clean my hands and the injection site. It's important to sanitize the skin properly to prevent infections. Now, I remove the cap, making sure not to touch the needle area to keep everything sterile. Now, let's begin the injection. I'm choosing my stomach as the injection site, ensuring it's at least 2 inches away from my belly button. Holding the pen at a 90-degree angle, I firmly press it against my skin and push the button. You'll hear a click. This means the injection has started. I hold it in place for about 10-15 seconds until the window turns completely yellow, indicating that the full dose has been administered. And there we have it. The injection is done. The pen is now empty, and the safety shield has locked in place. It's important to dispose of it safely in a sharps container. Biologic treatments like Adalimumab can be life-changing for many, helping manage symptoms and improve quality of life. If you're using this medication or considering it, always consult your doctor for guidance. Have you ever used a biologic like this? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to follow for